Dave Rienzi here, strength and conditioning coach. And this is the Bulgarian Split Squat. Exercise everyone loves to hate. Get a lot of questions with the Bulgarian Split Squat on form. One thing I like to do with the form is always on a step. So I like to really increase that range of motion, get more knee flexion so you're getting nice activation, nice development out of your quads. Then what I do with my foot positioning, I step up on the bench. I'm trying to make sure that my knee is tracking just slightly over my toe, and then I'm sinking into a nice groove here with where my back leg is. So it feels nice here. I'm getting a stretch on the quad at the bottom of the movement, and then I'm coming up. Bending the upper body forward just slightly. If you were to bend further forward, then you're going to be targeting more glute. I like to kind of hit it in the middle where I'm just bent slightly forward here, just like that. Another thing to note here too is when you're coming up from the bottom of the movement, push your knee out slightly. This is going to activate the glute medius and is going to help you stabilize better. Now, as far as the foot pad is concerned, if you have an adjustable one, what I like to do is I set this one so it's just below my knee. That seems to be the right spot when doing this with the step there. I'm a big fan of including these at the end of the workout. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's insane. Why would you put the split squat at the end of the workout? It's one of the hardest, most challenging exercises. Why I like to put it at the end of the workout is because by that point, your legs should be cooked. You're gonna really recognize some imbalances in strength that now by doing the split squat at the end, you're gonna be able to attack those imbalances. It also allows you to use lighter weight with the split squat. Focusing more on the form while your legs are really fatigued is gonna really improve the benefit from the exercise even more.